got hit with a copyright infringement on Amazon. Here's how to appeal it and get your listing back. Now, this is an example of a policy violation and getting your listing back. And this recently happened to a client. We removed her listing, copyright, yada, yada, fun stuff, right? Terrible. And that's just a part of selling on Amazon, is you might get these copyrights. They might be true. They might not be true. Things like that. Now, you have two main options, okay? So you can remove the copyright from your listing and then appeal, right? Or you can file a DMCA counter notice, which I'm going to show you both, right? So for the number one, you're going to have to do an inventory file update. So let's say the copyright is in your title, right? Or if it's in usually it's going to be your images or a video on your listing, you need to get those removed and changed. It's difficult to get those removed and changed because your listing shut down. So in order to do that, you do an inventory file update. Once you do an inventory file update, you're going to get a batch ID. This is all within Amazon Seller Central, by the way. Then you're going to contact Amazon Seller Support with that batch ID, and then you're going to ask them to push the batch ID through. They might say they can't because the listing's shut down and things like that. You need to tell Amazon that this is the only way to get the listing reinstated, and Amazon asks you to do this, right? And then you're going to get the batch ID pushed through. Once it's pushed through, you need to get something written from Amazon in that case where it says, okay, the listing has been pushed through, the identification, and now the image that shows this has been removed. I can confirm. Ask them to double check, and Amazon can actually manually check to see if that image is still there. You want to double check, triple check with Amazon that one image that caused the copyright infringement has been removed. This is going to take around probably 10 to 30 days to do. Option number one. Unless you get a report rec that's very quick, it's going to take some time. Then you're going to appeal to Amazon that the copyright is removed. You're going to reference the case ID of the person you worked with that helped to remove the image, and then you're going to put a screenshot as well if needed. And you're going to appeal this through the policy in your account health. You're going to click submit information, and then there's going to be an option here where you kind of just click through. I have read it. I have removed the copyright infringement from the product detail page. I understand if my listings continue to violate this policy, my account may be deactivated. If it's packaging related, so if the copyright's actually a part of your packaging, you might have to do a full removal order. So you need to keep this in mind. So this is going to be the slow and difficult way, but this is actually if you did do copyright infringement. If you didn't do copyright infringement, there's a DMC counter notice way. This one takes around 17 days, could take a little bit more, around 17 to 30 days. What you're going to do is do the same thing. So you're going to actually just click the appeal button right here. This is going to be in your account health. And then it's going to look something like this where it says address your listing violation. And this is where you file your DMCA counter notice, right? So you're going to put your ACE in here, your full legal name, your email address, and then you're going to click all of these buttons. Make sure you read them before you click them and you agree with them, and then you're going to click submit, right? This is going to file a DMCA counter notice. Then Amazon, within around 2 business days, sometimes it takes 5 business days, is going to email you and say, we've received your listing counter notice. They're going to tell you to wait 10 business days. If the person that filed the copyright infringement against you doesn't file a lawsuit, your listing will be reinstated in around 10 business days. Sometimes it's a little bit more because Amazon is slow. But what you're going to do is wait 10 business days. Pretty much you're going to wait like 15 days. Then you're going to contact Amazon. You're going to save this as a PDF, this email. Then you're going to contact Amazon and you're going to pretty much be a chat. You're going to attach the PDF, be like, look, see the PDF attached. We've waited. It's been more than 10 business days. We haven't received a lawsuit. Please reinstate our listing immediately. Then they can escalate it to get it reinstated, right? And then you can see it took 17 days for us to get one of our clients' listings reinstated with the DMCA counter notice. So it is a step-by-step depending on what you want to do, but that's it in a nutshell on how to reinstate and or appeal. So that way you can maintain your account health on Amazon. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learn something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. We also do full account management. We'll monitor your listings. If your listing gets any type of copyright, trademark, counterfeit, we're the ones that are attacking this, getting it resolved. And we already know what we're doing because we've dealt with all of these issues plenty of times on Amazon before. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out. Going Monday.